working with a repurposed canvas today from my earlier days. And I'm going to flood this out. It's going to be a practice day. I'm trying to find the right consistency for my deconstructed blooms so they actually flow the way they need to. And today, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to try 2 blooms, because that's eventually what I'm going to end up doing. But we're going to play by ear up until that point. Talk about our colors once again. Cobalt turquoise, golden, black forest, and emerald by this little piggy. Creme is a kitchen sink. It'll be down in the description. Latte, Whitehaven, and Simplicity, this little piggy. Upside down, titanium white could possibly get used. Burnt Sierra by this little piggy. And light blue by Liquitex. So I'm going to do 2 blooms. Let's see how I'm going to approach this. I've been starting with the dark color down at the bottom, and I think I'm going to continue with that. Dark color for both is my emerald black forest mixture. So let's go with, I think I'm going to do on the bias, so give myself more room to work with. No, I better not. Center. This is cobalt turquoise. Break that up just a little bit with the creme. The light blue. Bit of the titanium white, tiny bit of the burnt Sierra, my favorite color of this palette, this light tan, almost a champagne color. So the only difference I'm going to make between the 2 is going to be the order of my cell activators. On this one, I'm going to put the white down first, with the black on top. Okay, haven't done this side yet, and that's intentional. I'm going to do black on the bottom with the white on top. Almost did the opposite. The reason I did the scoop and drag in the middle, I wanted to get rid of that hard line that I had going there. Okay, for initial blowout, this middle section didn't get much as far as cell formation. It didn't help the situation that I actually went ahead and scoop and dragged in the middle, because that will disrupt that. And you have some really nice cell packs here and all around the outside. So I might be okay, but I think I need to, before I start doing anything more, I think I need to do something in the middle there. Let me see what I can come up with. I might have created myself too much of a division there, but at least I've got some cell work going through the middle. Get some more on that side. Maybe I'll do the yin and yang and bring the black in from that side. Okay, now let's evolve this thing. I think I want to just do some. I just want to do some stretching, just to get some movement going. The composition at this point. The cells are going to get wonky. That's part of the features of it's one of the features with the deconstructed bloom. I'm not in love with this big old blue section in the middle, but I'm absolutely loving the black against over here and what I have traced out there. You see what's going to happen is as I spin it, that's going to become bigger, and those are going to go off the sides. So lesson learned. I got some hard lines over here that I hope I can get rid of. Same over on this side. So I think I am going to start tilt that off. This may grow on me here. I don't see it right now, but it may grow on me. I got some hard line over here I don't like. I think it's time for me to spin to get some of this paint off. Let's talk about this just a second. Things I love, things I hate. The middle of it, not in love with. Not in love with it at all. I kind of like that the black forest is starting to make an appearance under there. There's plenty of it there. It should have made an appearance. My burnt Sierra is basically out in the outsides. These there's a bit of negative over here I'm not crazy about. That in the middle really bothers me. Do I save it? Do I go with it? I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit and see what I want out there. Might be able to take this and doodle with it a little bit afterwards and put some modifications in the middle, let it dry and do that. It certainly would fit into my goal with the in-run goal of this color scheme. So I'll have to think about that. What I love about this is my outside cells just really they held. The black ones on this side, and you can't probably see it as well as the white ones on this side. So I'm going to bring you in for a look-see. We'll do a flyover, and I'll show you up close what it looks like. So I'm going to clean up, and I'll be back. Okay, let's talk about this just a second. And first blush, just looking at the piece as a whole, that center part is a great big no. I'm really not happy with it. Let's go in closer, and you'll see what I mean. There is some depth there, and I don't have the problem with the depth. It seems like a big old light blue in the middle, and I'm not crazy about that. But let's talk about the things I do love. I love these outside cells. You can see what I mean up close. Lost some of them over there. I wasn't crazy about that, but I did keep enough of them that I'm really actually very happy about it. There's that black with the white over on this side. Same thing on this side. Those shadow cells just really, I couldn't be unhappy with that. And it's funny, looking through the viewfinder here, the middle looks much different than it does in person. It looks a lot lighter. So I'm going to let this dry, because always as things dry, they darken up. and we'll see how it looks afterwards. I might end up repainting this canvas again sometime in the future, but we'll see. So leave a message down, or leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and maybe a direction I need to go with this. So looking forward to hearing from you. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here, and I hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.